Hi, the following video will help you use the equation editor on eLearn when you're taking a quiz. Now let's say you're taking a quiz or an exam and you're given a question. Well, this one just says to enter a mathematical equation, and so you're putting your answer. So let's say we click the box to make sure our cursor is inside the box, and you want to go to the equation editor and you want to enter some function. So what you do is you click on this drop down menu next to the plus sign and you go to the equations, not putting an emoji, you're putting in the equation. And you go to equations, you click on the graphical equation, and it'll bring up this screen where you can now go to enter using some of these equation features in eLearn. So let's say if we had, now again, you might have to click in here again, and let's say we're saying a function, so let's say f of x equals, and let's say it's a rational, so it's a fraction, and you'd have something like x, then squared, and put like plus 2x, or no, let's say plus 2x minus 3, and then in the bottom, let's say maybe you have like a square root of the absolute value of 4x, and then you could also use things if you're, depending on the class you're in, there's the integral signs, there's for the derivatives, there's also if you need to enter let's say like superscripts or maybe a subscript, then also like we're saying fractions, square roots, or if you have a cube root, let's say like minus, then you'd enter this, which will give you like the nth root, so you could put like x minus 4, and then put the cursor here and say you're like taking the cube root of it. Oh, cube root, not square root. And then there's some other ones, so like the pi, there's also like infinity, the basic operations, inequality signs. You also have, let's see, some arrows, the Greek symbols, if you got to enter a matrix. So this is the way you would enter, and then you click insert. And then let's say if this is, you're done, you would just click on the submit quiz. So that's how you'd use the equation editor on eLearn.